going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on your flashlight whenever you receive a phone call or a message or any sort of notification on your iPhone device. I'm going to show you how you can actually turn this on, which is a cool feature, and I'm going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of having your flashlight turned on when you get a notification or a call on your iPhone device. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do upload a lot of tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the channel as it really helps me out. Now, in order to turn on your flashlight in here, all you need to do is simply hop into settings. You're gonna scroll down all the way to accessibility here, below general, within the second stack of settings in your settings. You wanna hop into accessibility. You wanna scroll down all the way to audio and visual. Here we go. We do have audio and visual here within hearing stack of settings. So you want to hop into audio and visual, and next up you want to scroll down all the way down to visual, where we do have LED flash for alerts. Okay, so pretty much we're going to open this. We're saying that we'll be getting a flashlight whenever we get an alert, and an alert is pretty much a notification or your phone trying to let you know that something has reached to your phone. Either it's a message, it's a call, it's a notification, an email, or anything like that. So you want to turn on LED flash for alerts. Okay, it's gonna flash if it's a single alert, and then if you do have a call, it's gonna flash multiple times. Next up, you want to turn on flash while unlocked. If it's unlocked and you get a notification, it's gonna flash. Or otherwise, you can tap on flash in silent mode. You can turn this on. It's gonna also flash when you do have your phone set to silent mode. Now, if you disable flash while unlocked, your phone will only flash if it's locked. If you get a notification while it's locked, it's gonna flash. Now, if in case you turn it on, it's gonna flash either if it's locked or unlocked, it will always flash. This is how easy you can actually turn on LED for flash alerts, but please note that this will consume some sort of battery on your phone. So in case you're not worried about that, no problem at all, because it consumes some extra charge as you do have a flashlight using your battery. This is how you can turn it on seamlessly and conveniently on your phone. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.